Hi, I'm Akbar Muhammad. I'm the Warehouse and Logistics Manager for Hartalega NGC. Hartalega is a nitrile glove manufacturing company. The glove particularly is for examination purpose. It's been used by doctors for examination for surgical. We have customers all around the world, especially in the US and Europe market. We start working with Crown since 10 years ago. We are using Crown Restruct, double dip Restruct for all our warehouse. At the moment, we have about 12 units, and we will bring in another 12 units next month onward. Besides this superior quality, one advantage that I'm very pleased with Crown is the after-sales service. When we have issue, it is well addressed, it's well taken care. And they come in a reasonable time to attend our issue. What we are given is not just a metal handling equipment, but we are given solution to our needs. As far as I know, they are happy. There's no issue. In fact, we have tried a few other brands and they prefer this. One main reason is because of the solution given and the response time after sales. The past 10 years relationship with Crown was a really good relationship. And I've been telling all other suppliers Crown advantage over them, especially the after sales service. I find it good. Because they are not just selling products to us, but they are selling solutions.